We've developed chillAIR, a fully automatic service unit designed specifically for CO2 air conditioning systems, with a future in mind. This modern environmentally friendly system enables you to service and repair air conditioning systems quickly, safely and efficiently. The fully automatic service unit combines intuitive operation with maximum occupational safety. Fully automated processes and plausibility checks guarantee safety at the highest level. Thanks to the 4-meter-long hoses and a maximum working pressure of 160 bar, chillAIR is flexible and safe. The device is also sustainable, with its natural CO2 refrigerant not only protecting the environment but also reducing expensive maintenance material costs. The patented infrared heating means you no longer have to waste time and effort fitting heating tapes, while replacing the CO2 cylinder is quick and easy. Plus, it's compatible with all commercial cylinder types. Whether you use its automated processes to perform quick services or carry out specific maintenance tasks in manual mode, chillAIR is the perfect solution for efficient and future-proof servicing of air conditioning systems. Features like automated documentation and the ability to preset favorites save you time and stress. This is air conditioning servicing. This is chillAIR by AVL DiTEST.